lovelies! Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super exciting redecorating and reorganization video, and I am going to be moving my computer out of my bedroom. So I just have a sleeping space and I'll have a whole space for working and kind of more of an office space, which will be so nice. And I'll be able to take a lot of this extra furniture out of my room, and I am going to give you guys a little room tour of both rooms and my plans, and let's get right into it. So this is the room that I'm going to be moving my office space into. As you can see, I've already moved some of my shoes and some of my clothes into the closet back there, and I'm going to transform it fully into an office. Here is the place where I want to put my new desk, and I think I'm going to move these two shoe shelves over to where the old desk is. So here is a little tour of my room before I make my big changes. These two big pieces of furniture here are going to go, and I have a little while to clear out everything that are in these drawers. In here has sweaters, which it's very full, and then it has my bras, which I've already started clearing out. I'm gonna have to move my sweaters all in with my long sleeves into here, which are already pretty packed. As for my sweatpants, which are all in here, I am going to be trying to fit those in underneath my bed with my leggings. Moving the desk out. So I have been doing a ton of work cleaning and reorganizing and painting, but now we get to do the most exciting part, I think, and we are going to assemble the desk. So now it is time to decorate and add all of my pretty decor onto my office space to make it a little bit more inspirational and me. So first I'm going to start with all of my books. I have my planner on top here, which is the one that I use the very most. And then also this one is actually just not a book, it's actually storage. So I am just going to put all those over on this right side here. And then I have these really gorgeous white fake flowers that I got from HomeGoods. I'm just going to put those on the other side here. And then I have this cute little crystal container that is empty as of right now, but I like having little empty containers around, and it also makes for very cute decor. And then I'm just going to put a little picture frame of me and Ryan up on the top shelf. And then I'm also going to be adding these cute little decor pieces here. This is a little kind of shiny pink Eiffel Tower that I got whenever I was in Paris, my favorite place. And I also have this cute pink sand hourglass. And both of these I'm going to put on this shelf here. And then I'm also going to add this cute little finger knit trivet that I made in my decor video, and my favorite pink teacup. I really like this because I can set my cup down kind of hard and it doesn't make any sound, and I also know that my desk is protected now, and it also looks cute. So as for the drawers, I am going to put all my main pencils and stuff in here, and I just got a container that I'm going to be using for it. So I'm just going to put that in there like that, and then I'm going to add all of my pens and pencils, and then I have my measuring tapes and other little miscellaneous items. For this second drawer, I'm just going to put kind of secondary office items, like my little books and notepads, as well as tape, my stapler, and a ruler. At the very bottom in this little cabinet area, I have some files that have been needing a place like this for such a long time. So I'm just going to slide those in there. And I'm also going to put my technology backstock in the back here, like my extra phone case that I love, so I bought 2 of them, and then just the box of these. And then I also have some extra headphones and my rose gold beads, and then my business cards. And soon I'll be adding all of my computer stuff, which is equally as lovely, so stay tuned for the reveal. So now it is time for the reveal. So my room is completely different now, and I moved my furniture around, and my armoire is now over here, and there is so much more space in here now because of that. And I also put my little pink stool over here in the corner with my jewelry, and there's this nice little spot where I could put like my yoga mat and my camera stands. So now it is just so spacious in here, and I could stretch or dance or do whatever I want because there's just so much room. And I also got a new super pretty mirror to take outfit photos in. And I put my shoe shelf that has all my flats over here at the end of my bed. In my closet, I was able to fit all of those long sleeves from my armoire into my other long sleeves here. I did just have to move my short sleeves down with my tank tops on the bottom, but it all fit. And most importantly, there is no more computer in here, so this is just my room for sleep and relaxation. Now let's go look at the office. Ta-da! So I got a brand new monitor, and the screen is absolutely massive. It's incredible for working, and I have all my other workspace stuff that's all pink and white here as well. And over here I also have a lot of my shoes all in one corner and my mirror, and I definitely have even more narrowing down to do with these shoes. My office space is super amazing now, and I also have this cute white pillow that I got from Target that I put on my chair, and I'm getting the new Bose 700 for my workstation, and they come in a super cute white and rose gold color, and I'm so excited. You guys should check them out. They're like really pretty. But yeah, it's just an amazing new place to work and get so many things done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video on my room redecoration and new office. If you want to see more photos of these spaces, be sure to check out my Instagram where I post all of my pink photos of my pink life. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time. My room is completely different now, and I have so much more room in here.
One, go.
So, I moved my armoire over to here now. And then I have a bunch of stuff over in my corner. No more computer, and this is just my room where you're messing this up right now, you. And most importantly, there is no more computer in here, so this is just my room. Very soon, but it's just such a... Oh, I didn't see you there. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I'm just working here at my new workstation. my god.